Hi everybody, and welcome to your channel Simple and Easy English. In this video we are going to talk about this and that. This and that are used to talk about nouns which are close, near to us, or which are far away. The first example with this. This is a flower. So we use this to talk about only one noun, which is a flower. So this expresses something which is near and close. In the other example we use that. So that used to talk about another noun which is a flower. In this case the flower is far away. This is why we use that. So this is why we use that for only one noun which is a flower. Let's have a look at other examples. This is a flower. Only one flower which is near. So we use this. That is a flower. One more. One only flower, but which is far away. So to express something which is far, we use that. This is not a flower. So of course in the image we don't have a flower, but we have a chair. In this case we use the negation by using not. This is not a flower. This is a chair. So this used for a chair because the chair is near, but in this example the chair is far. So this is not a flower. Of course this is, or of course that is a chair. That is a chair. In order to ask for question, we have to switch between this or that and the verb to be. As you can see in these examples, the verb to be becomes first. Is this a flower? Yes, it is. One more question with that. Is that a flower? The flower which is very far. Of course, yes, it is. But in this example we are going to use the negation because we don't have a flower. So the question is this a flower? No, it isn't. Is that a flower? No, it isn't. That is a chair. At the end, thanks you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so as you can get